Hello children, we will be seeing the functions of leaf in this presentation. So we see that leaves are green in color and they perform the most important function in the plants, that is preparing the food for the plants, which is known as photosynthesis. And this can be done only if the plant has green leaves. Other than photosynthesis, the plant also performs different functions like transpiration, exchange of gases, and in some plants the leaves are modified in order to give support to the plant, whereas certain plants which are carnivorous, they have leaves modified in a way which helps the plant to trap insects. So let us go through each function one by one. The first function of the leaf is photosynthesis. Green plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis using carbon dioxide, oxygen and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The next function of leaf is transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which the plants lose water in the form of water vapor. So the loss of water mainly takes place through leaves and through other aerial parts of the plants. So transpiration helps the plants to cool down, and also it helps the water to be pulled from the roots to the upper parts of the plant. The next function of the leaf is exchange of gases. So we all know that plants give out oxygen and take in carbon dioxide during the day. So in order for the exchange of gases to take place, plants have small pores on the leaf surface, and these small pores are known as stomata. But usually we hear that we should not sleep under a tree during the night because the process becomes exactly the reverse at night. Plants start taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. The next function performed by plants is trapping insects. So like you already know that certain plants are carnivorous, means to fulfill their nitrogen need, they trap insects and they absorb the juices from the insect's body. So such examples are the pitcher plant, the Venus flytrap and sundew. These plants have certain sensors on their body which helps the plant to sense when an insect approaches it. So if you see the first picture, once the insect sits inside the modified leaf, the plant identifies it and the leaf starts to close. Also the leaves are sticky in nature, so the insect cannot easily escape. In the second picture where you see the pitcher plant, the leaf is modified in the shape of a pitcher and it has got a fluid inside it which has got a very nice fragrance. Insects are attracted to this fragrance, and once they enter the pitcher, it has got a sticky surface inside which does not allow the insect to escape once it enters. And in this way, carnivorous plants or insectivorous plants, they trap insects and absorb nutrients from these insects to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. That's all about the function of leaves.